Hi students, very good morning to you all. Students, after little pause, let's we meet again. Students of 6th standard English medium, I want to say something about social distance. Students, it's a time of COVID-19, so we must have to maintain our social distance and also have to protect ourselves from the COVID-19. So that's why students, because of social distance, I am going to teach you with the means of this video standard 6 English medium. Students, before I start teaching, you have to keep book in your hand. Okay, so that's why whatever chapter you will learn, easily you will get it. Understood students? What we learnt in last session, little bit we have to revise first, then we will go ahead. Students, in last session we learnt about hasti means 3 times given hasti words. We have to just say elephant means it's one types of poem about elephant. Here we learnt about body parts of elephant. I have little bit written, so you easily remind it. The first line you can see in your book, that hasti Divya Devi Srishti. That line you can see means great creation of God. Means here in poem telling that, oh elephant, you are the great one and you are the best creation of the goddess. Okay, so this concept is given here. Understood students? Next, another thing we learnt, Sunda Kandli, means in this poem we learned that the land has trunk like Kadli means a plantain tree, means banana tree. Okay. Another we learned Padaha means legs. Elephant has legs like Stambha Samana, means like a pillar. If you will see pillar of bricks, that way it has Pada. Next, Karno we have learnt in this poem how Karno means ears. Elephant has the ear. Karno Surpa Karo means elephant has ears like winnowing basket, means Surpa Karo. After that we learnt Danto means elephant has Danto means tusk or teeth, how it is very white one, okay, and very long too. Another we learnt Udaram means elephant has stomach like Bhandakaram means pot. That's types of things we learnt in this poem, student. Hasti. Okay, now students of standard 6, today we are going to learn another new chapter number 6. Its title is there, Sapta Vasara. You know students, what's the meaning of this? Sapta means 7 and Vasara means days. So students, you easily get it what today we are going to learn. Today we are going to learn about 7 days. You know students, you know very well in English, but you don't have any idea about days in Sanskrit. So you will pay attention here, so easily you will get it. Okay. First of all students, if I will ask, let students say our day's name in English, then easily we will say that. This way you will say, okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. This way you will easily say students, okay, and easily you will write spelling too. But students, you know, when you want to write this in Sanskrit, then what happens? First of all you have to learn it and after that you have to write it, okay, then you will get it. So here I have written behind me, you can see English into Sanskrit I have written. Okay, that's we have to know properly. See, 7 days in English it is known as Sapta Vasara, and here Visarga you can see students. Why here Vasara done? You know students, why I have not written Sapta Vasara? Okay, 7 days. Here in Sanskrit the we have to follow plural form must. Okay, 7 days and 7. Sapta means 7 and Vasaraha, it's a plural case form. So remember this, 7 days. Now what you will say 7 days in Sanskrit? Let's say, pay attention here. Sunday. Sunday means Ravi Va Sharah. Okay students, Ravi Va Sharah. And see here Visarg. Everywhere you can see Visarg. Okay, here also Visarg will come, students. Everywhere you can see Visarg, Visarg, Visarg. Why Visarg, students? You know, because in singular form it's a rules of Sanskrit that we have to use Visargs, and already we learnt in Chitrapadanis. Okay, and now you will go in 8th standard, there you will also learn why here Visarg is there. When any male form and singular form is there near, at that time we have to use Visarg in Sanskrit. For example, you want to say name of any person. Person means male form, Rakesh. At that time in Sanskrit you have to say that Rakesah. Okay, same way Jayesh, you want to say Jayesh, at that time also Jayesah. Okay, understood students? It means in Sanskrit, if male form name you want to speak, then Visarg must have to pronounce. Okay, so here we have used Visarg here because these are the neuter forms. So and also this name. So Ravi Va Sara Ha. Okay, next Monday. Monday in Sanskrit same Soma Va Sara Ha. Okay, Soma Va Sara. In Gujarati using students Somvar. Same way in Sanskrit, same way. See, Soma Va, but Ra here and Sa inside Sa, so that's why that's you have to keep in your mind. Gujarati you will say Somvara. Okay, but in Sanskrit how you will say Soma Va Sara Ha, this way. Understood students? Next, this most important, how to write C. Okay, and how to pronounce that you have to see here. Okay, Tuesday in English, and in Sanskrit how you will use this Manga. Okay, see here this pattern you can see here, it is the avagra, it's known as avagra, and here dot, so happen nasal sound anga. Okay, and downside whatever is word there, that's we have to pronounce in Sanskrit. If ka happen, then manka. Okay, pa happen, mampa, this means. Okay, here nasal sound, and that's letter alphabet we have to pronounce. Okay students, so remember these things. Okay, Manga La Va Sharaha. Okay, Manga La Va Sharaha. In Gujarati we using like Mangalvar, Manga Var. So Mangala in Gujarati ada here and Va Ra. So in Sanskrit however Manga La Va Shara. Okay students, understood? Now next, Wednesday. Okay, see in Sanskrit easily Budva Shara. Budvashar. Bruhaspati Vasar also we can use that students. Budva Shara. Understood? Next, this Budvashar or Bruhaspati Vasar also we can say that. But here see the and Vashar most ado. In Gujarati Budavara, so here in Sanskrit Budavasharaha. Okay, next Thursday. Thursday means Guru Vasharaha, easy pattern, Guruvar. In Gujarati we use that Guruvara. Okay, in Sanskrit same pattern. See, Guruvara in Gujarati, in Sanskrit Guru Vasharaha. Means students, if you will see at the end of any days you can see only Vasar. Okay, Ravi Vasara, Soma Vasara, easily pattern. See, Mangal Vasara, Budva Sharaha. Okay, that means Vasar word easily you can get it. So in exam ask, then ready to write it. Next, Guru Vasaraha. Okay, next Friday. See, Friday Shukra Vasaraha. In Gujarati also we are using this Shukra Vasaraha. Okay, see, Shukra in Gujarati Shukravar, in Sanskrit Shukra Vasaraha. See, Vasar. Okay, next Saturday, Saturday, Sanivasarah. In Gujarati we using that Sanivara. Okay. Same way in Sanskrit, but what type you have to write? Sanivasarah. Vasar word we have to plus here, students. Okay. So easily you can get it. This you have to memorize first 7 days Sapta Vasara in your mind, and now how this will come in exam, I am telling. Okay. In exam, first of all this you have to know. Okay. Sunday means how you will write in Sanskrit. Monday how you will write. Okay. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, whatever given, that you have to know how to write in Sanskrit. So in exam, the first of all ask write the Sanskrit of the following. So you have to ready to write it. Okay. Again and again you speak at your home, so easily you get it. One time I repeat. If having any doubt how to read it, then clear it, students. Okay. See. Sapta Vasara. Okay. Ravi Vasara. Visarg compulsory in exam. If Visarg you forget, then marks will gone away. So must. Ravi Vasara. Soma Vasara. Mangalvasara. Budvasara. Guruvasara. Shukravasara. Shanivasara. Okay, students, understood? This way we can write these days. Now question answer. Okay. Another things also you have to remember in exam, this way also ask. Students, before I start this pattern, we have to know some meanings of the words, so easily you can get it. Here you can see I have written adya word. Okay. Chwa, then here. These 3 meanings you must have to know. In glossary you can see these words. Okay. Students, what's the meaning of adya? Adya, that means, students, adya means now, and we can also say that today too. Okay. So if someone say what's the meaning of adya, at that time you have to ready to say that adya means today, and in exam asked today write Sanskrit word for the following, then remember adya. Okay. Next, chwa, that means, students, chwa means tomorrow. Chwa means tomorrow. Chwa also you can pronounce as cha, shwa, this way also pronounce. Okay. Regular shwa, srva. Okay. Right is right. So shwa, that means tomorrow. Understood? Next, here, because ha and ya joined to each other, so that's why we have to use here. Okay. Here it's a wrong, so here ha and ya joined to each other, so here. Understood? So these words you have to keep in your mind. Now we have to understand how this you will how you will attend in exam. See, in exam give like this: kaha vasarah. If someone asks to you, kaha vasarah. Kaha means which, Vasara means this. Today is which day? Kaha Vasara. So from these 7 days, if any days today happen, then you will use that. For example, Ravivar, then we will say Ravi Vasara. Somvasara, then you will write here Somvasara. Means according to day you have to give answer. If someone asks Kaha Vasara, then according to day you have to give answer. Okay, students. First question understood here, students. Next, this most important, adya kaha vasarah. See, for example, I am writing from this. Someone asks that adya kaha vasarah means today is which day. So, for example, Somvasara. Then someone said adya Somvasara. Okay. Someone say adya kaha vasarah. If today Somvar, Monday, then we have to say adya Somvasarah. Okay. Adya Somvasarah. For example, Mangalvasara, then adya kaha vasarah. Then someone say adya Mangalvasarah. Okay. This way downside, chwa kaha vasarah. Chwa means tomorrow, students. See, adya kaha vasarah. Someone say Somvasarah. Then again second question asked by someone, then shvah kaha vasarah. means another person is asking that Shwah ka Vasara, means if today Somvar, then Shwah means tomorrow. See, today Somvasara, then tomorrow which day? Shwah Mangalvasara. So answer here come with Mangala Vasara. Okay, understood students? Adya kah Vasara, Adya Somvasara, Shwah kah Vasara. Shwah means tomorrow, means today Monday, Somvar. Then Shwah what? Mangalvasara. Okay. Now next, see Adya Somvasara, here kah Vasara. See, Adya Somvasara. Here that means, you know students, this Shwah means tomorrow and here means yesterday. Understood? Here means yesterday and Shwah means tomorrow. So here yesterday which day? See, Adya Somvar, yesterday which day? Yesterday Ravivasara. So here which answer we have to write? Ravivasara. Okay, so students, this way we can solve. If someone asks Adya kah Vasara, Adya Ravivasara, Shwah ka Vasara, Shwah Somvasara. Okay, here ka Vasara, here means upside, yesterday, here Sanivasara. Understood? From this let's understand. Adya Shukravasara, Shwah ka Vasara, Adya Shukravasara, Shwah Sanivasara. Again ask Adya Shukravasara, here kah Vasara, here means Guruvasara, yesterday. So this way students you can refer at your home. So this write in your notebook and solve exercise at your home. Take care. Thank you.